Y'all, I went ahead and put some stockings up for my cats. This is the boy cat's stocking. And they're both the same. They got like little treats in there so far. These little teaser ones. And they got little balls or whatever. And there's the girls' stocking. I wanted to get them a stocking apiece too, to put with the other ones I got. And I thought that would be cute, just have them down here. And then they'll have their stockings too. And yeah, so I just wanted to show y'all what I just added on to the Christmas decor. Alright, bye.